What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and in this video, we're going to be going over how to use appointment booking with Voice AI. This is one of the most powerful parts of Voice AI and can seriously transform your business if you know how to use it right. So let's dive right in. Within your HighLevel sub account, navigate to AI agents or go to settings and click Voice AI, and then go into one of your Voice AI agents. Then from here, go to agent goals, which will allow us to configure our agent's personality and actions. And then if you're not already in advanced mode, click switch to advanced mode. This is going to give us more control over what our agent's doing and how it communicates with our customers. Then from here, scroll down to the set up your actions section. This is going to allow us to set up our actions that will occur during the call and after the call. Here, we can click new action, then click book appointment. This is going to give us the ability to book our appointments with Voice AI, which is really exciting. Now from here, we'll click select a calendar and we'll select our calendar that we want this Voice AI agent to be booking with. So we can use this service calendar. Then we can select our days of offering dates, aka just the number of consecutive days that the agent can suggest dates, the amount of appointment slots per day, and the hours between the slots. Then once we've done this, we can click save. And now this action will be set up so that during our call, our Voice AI agent will attempt to book an appointment with the caller. And if we want to come back and make changes to this action, all we have to do is navigate back to our set up our actions section, click this action, and then we can make our changes here. Or we can add another action and we can make our changes here. Now this gives us a lot of possibilities for what our Voice AI agent can do when it's on calls with customers. For example, one of the best things this can do is offer up available slots to people while they're on discovery calls with the AI agent. Another great use case for this is booking sales calls for brand new customers by being able to give them available slots immediately and get them booked into your calendar efficiently. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do with Voice AI, and this is one of the best ones. So be sure to have this implemented with your Voice AI agent somewhere in your business so you can streamline your appointment booking and of course, grow your business using HighLevel's Voice AI. As always, I hope you found this video helpful and thank you very much for watching.